Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to reapply for a loan after rejection in Lendio. Getting rejected doesn't mean the end of the road. Lendio allows you to reapply once you've improved your application. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Lendio account on the website. Now go to the loan applications tab and review the rejected application. Here you want to check for lender feedback. That's common issues include low revenue, insufficient documents, or poor credit. Now you want to take steps to strengthen your profile before reapplying. You could update financial records, improve credit score, or just adjust loan amounts. Gather missing or updated documents such as tax returns, bank statements, or proof of revenue. And then on your dashboard, you just click reapply or start a new loan application. Choose the same loan type or just select a different product that better matches your business qualifications. Complete the updated application form, ensuring accuracy in all fields, and then upload revised documentations. Now submit the application and monitor your dashboard for new lender matches. Reapplying with stronger data greatly increases approval chances. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.